Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Andrew Bond of ETL Systems. Andrew, we're in Asia. Why is it important to you?
Asia is a good market for ETL. We've had our best year here over the last 12 months, and that's mainly because Asia is starting to see more of the ETL Systems name around and about. So we've got some great distributors in the region, specifically in Singapore, and people are recognising that ETL, which is an English company but very international, has a custom design and build ethos for its equipment. So we're able to offer design on RF downlinks for our matrices and amplifiers and splitters, and that message is now percolating across the market.
So why are your products and services sought after in the region?
Well, with a number of changes in the market, we're seeing a lot more satellites in the region increased. So people are moving from fairly traditional ways of routing their satellite downlink signals. So they're needing switch matrices and more professional RF splitters to be able to handle and distribute their downlink feeds, which is really where ETL has its strength.
Now there's a lot of demand for your products in Asia, but where else?
This year we've seen Australasia actually as being one of our biggest markets, specifically because the talk of the show is the Australasia NBN project, where 2 Ka band satellites are being launched next year, which will require a whole new downlink infrastructure. And the satellite industry responds very well to new satellites and new builds.
Yeah. What other sectors are you involved in?
We have seen growth in the maritime oil and gas market, and there a lot of our equipment is used on oil platforms to broadcast signals back from fixed stations back to teleports, and we're also seeing growth market in anything from cruise liners all the way through to broadcast and government and military market. But it's the last one's probably our biggest growth sector.
Now the satellite industry is quite dynamic. Every year it changes. What are the current trends that you're seeing?
We're seeing a continuing trend rather than a new trend, where we're seeing Asian satellite operators putting more satellites up in the sky. So apart from the NBN project, we're seeing launches in Vietnam with Viasat-2. We've got Thaicom also launching a new satellite as well, all of which will require new satellite signals coming down to ground stations, for example Astro in Malaysia, and all of these require more satellite signal handling capacity, which means more routing equipment, and that's a benefit for ETL.
Andrew, thank you very much.
Thank you.